What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Somebody on YouTube asked me for this. Like when you go to dim sum, they have the fish congee. This is minced fish. I'm going to show you how to take out the skin. Cut a little bit to start, right? Then you can grab it, and then you can pull. See that? When you start, it's easy. Get most meat out of it. Pushing the knife towards the skin. See that? Or else you're going to get too much meat out. You want to keep the most meat. The whole thing. Come on. I have to cut it smaller and then mince it now.
So you just throw the skin out, or you can use it for soup or something?
I think you can deep fry it. And
deep
you
fry
put
the skin?
Oh yeah, it's really good. You will love it. Not supposed to be this fish, but I cannot find it. It's more sticky.
So it has bones in it too, Joyce?
Yeah, but it will mince it. I don't feel the bones anymore. I think this is done. I should put a little bit of the tangerine peel, and I forgot to soak it. It's tradition to put tangerine peel in it. I'm supposed to be also scrape it, and when it cooks, it should be okay. This is seaweed, called black moss. Try to squeeze out the water. I'm gonna take the fish out. See, good to have a small kitchen, right? Everything within reach. I'm basically making a fish ball. I don't think it's gonna form a ball like the original fish. When they pick the recipe, they have a reason to pick that particular ingredient. Like in Hong Kong, we'll be able to get that fish. I'm gonna put a little cornstarch to make it sticky, maybe a little more than a pinch because this fish needs help.
What does that do?
It can form a fish ball. The other fish will, you put it and then you do this to it. No, it's seriously. You beat it and then it will form. But you might not do it because this is not the fish. That's why I never make this. They have frozen one. Not gonna do it. We'll cut it smaller. But that's the idea.
You're gonna pour the whole thing in there?
No. The congee look a little thick. I'm gonna put a little water to it. Sometimes you have to adjust. You have to be really hot. Salt it lightly. I'm gonna put some julienne ginger. Then you try to make a fish ball. You might like it though. Push it down for it to cook. It almost looks like pork, you know?
Yeah. Can you use pork in this dish? Well, it probably has to cook a lot longer.
Yeah, pork has to cook a lot longer.
You don't mix it?
No, because no, it's okay. Let me tell you why. Because it's already falling apart.
So how long do you cook that for?
Not long. You can see it. See, it's going to change color to more like white. It's not so bad. It sticks pretty good together, right? Let's let it boil for a little bit. Let's add some scallion. Let's check this.
Looks like a meatball.
Yeah, maybe good. This doesn't need to cook that long. That's why they use lettuce.
You have to mix it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it in. That's why I didn't want the congee to be too thick because this will make it thicker. I'm slowly folding it in. Thing out of it. I think it's done. See that? It become more white. Looks like a meatball. Colvin said, I would like it. Okay, little scallion. Picture time.